So BlackRock applied for ETF and many other companies have applied for a Bitcoin spot ETF. Now, a few things that people are not talking about ETFs, I want to share here with you guys because people ask me, what are my thoughts on ETF? First, an ETF is not Bitcoin, meaning it's an instrument that's supposed to be pegged to Bitcoin. Now, in the history of pegging, all peg have eventually been depegged, and I don't think it's going to be any different with an ETF. Now, I'm not saying there's no reason for ETF to exist. There are reasons for ETF, especially for institutional money. Now, for the individual, if you're not an institution, for individual, I don't see any reason for individual to have an ETF when an individual can easily educate themselves and learn how to become the self-custodian of their own assets, in this case, Bitcoin. Now, another thing that people need to understand when it comes to ETF, BlackRock and institutional money, they are not hodlers, they are not Bitcoiners. Buying a Bitcoin ETF does not make you a Bitcoiner. Bitcoiners or hodlers tend to buy and want to hold that asset because they trust their asset and they are connected to the asset on the philosophical level. Now, institutional money do not have the same attachment to the asset. They're not going to be loyal to Bitcoin or loyal to the ETF. They are loyal to making money. They're going to buy the ETF, they're going to ride to the point of profit, and they're going to liquidate or get rid of the ETF whenever they meet whatever goal they have in terms of profitability. Again, institutional money are not Bitcoiners. They have a deadline, they have an agenda, and that agenda is profit. Of course, Mike Saylor and MicroStrategy may be an exception to this rule. BlackRock, in my view, they're not hodlers, they're not Bitcoiners, they do not understand Bitcoin, they want the ETF for very different reasons. Those are the things I want to share with you for now. In the future, I'm going to be making another video explaining more about ETF, but this is for today. If you did get value from this, please give it a thumbs up. If you do know someone who can benefit from this, please do share. This is it for now. See you guys on the next video. Kaboom. Goodbye.